How to lock and unlock edge panel position on Samsung phone. So if you decided to enable edge panel, but maybe you accidentally drag it to different places throughout the day on your screen, I'm going to show you how you can lock edge panel in one place on your screen. Let's get started. So firstly, I'm going to show you how it's look. So basically this tiny little white line is my edge panel, which I can swipe left to access my apps, tools, and so on. Now to reorder, I just need to press and hold it till it will be blue and drag to any other place on the screen. Also, I can drag it to the left side of my screen and move it here. So if you want to lock it in just one position, then what we're gonna do is open up the settings, scroll down to display, and from here also scroll down a bit till we can see edge panels. Tap on that, and from the list of options, choose handle. And here, as a first tap on the position and choose where you want for your edge panel to be, on the right side of the screen or on the left. I'm gonna select right. After that, adjust the edge panel position. You can see two arrows next to it, so just tap on the arrows and drag it to any place where you would like to lock this edge panel. And enable lock handle position. After that, if you try to move it to the different place, it will be simply impossible, so it will be locked just in one place. And also, if you want to make it more visible, you can go in the same setting and change its style. For example, change the color as well as transparency, size, just like that, and width. And when you are done changing it, just go back to the home screen and check the result. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.